Brainstorming is such an important tool for engaging your team, so that's why we're spending a lot of time in this section. Let's look at one more tool for brainstorming. This one is called 7 R's for process innovation. Number 1, rethink. The first step in innovation thinking is that you need to rethink process and product. You need to continuously be thinking about what and how can you do things differently. Number 2, reconfigure. Reconfigure things or processes when you find low value or waste activities. Ask yourself, how can you restructure things to make your business become more efficient, more effective, and more innovative? In these steps, consider the following questions. What activities can be eliminated? How can common activities be consolidated? How can the best practices from other industry be borrowed to improve upon? Can reconciliation be reduced by improving quality at the source? Number 3, resequence. In this step, think about resequencing your business process in a more efficient way. And good questions to ask yourself and the team. How can predicting increase efficiency? How can postponement increase flexibility? Can activities be done in parallel? Number 4, relocate. Consider asking the following questions. Can the activity be moved closer to the clients or the suppliers? Can we decrease cycle time by reducing travel time and distance? Can it be virtualized or moved to the cloud? Number 5, reduce. What could be reduced in this process? Can we reduce input or manpower? And few more questions to ask. How can I increase the frequency of activity or reduce the frequency of the activity? And I know these questions are contradicting each other, but you need to choose the right one for the situation. So let's carry on with other questions. How can we use resources more efficiently? Would less information and fewer controls simplify and improve efficiency? Can critical resources be used more efficiently? Number 6, reassign. The questions to ask. Do you have the right people doing the right jobs? Can the activity be outsourced? How would more information enable greater effectiveness? How can cross-training employees help integrating and compressing tasks? Can suppliers and partners perform this activity? Number 7, retool. How could you retool or reskill your people? Consider multitasking, training people and using their cross skills to get business to an innovative level. Can the activity be automated? Can we leverage assets to create a competitive advantage? Can we train or retrain the people? Can we add cross-functional skills to our team? So there you have it, another brainstorming tool. 7 R's framework can be used to innovate and rethink the business. Here is another tool, FMEA form, Failure, Modes and Effect Analysis. This is an example of FMEA. First, you list the process inputs, then potential failure mode and potential failure effect. Right after, you list potential causes and current controls, followed by ranking severity, occurrence, and detection. Each ranking has a range from 1 to 10. Severity of 1 denotes low risk to the end customer, and a score of 10 denotes high risk to the customer. Occurrence of 1 denotes low probability of the risks happening, and 10 denotes high probability of risks happening. Detection score 1 tells us that the current detection process will likely catch the failure, and 10 means that the process will likely miss the failure, or the failure will stay undetected. After scoring of each category is complete for each process, the 3 scores are multiplied together, severity times occurrence times detection, and that will determine the risk priority number, RPN. The RPN are sorted from the largest to smallest, and actions are taken on the top risk in order to reduce the overall risk. Some FMEAs stop right here. However, in some cases, it could be good to develop the recommended action, responses, and actions taken and score those and calculate RPM as well. There you have it, another tool in your tool belt for continuous improvement.
You're the only one who hasn't finished the mandatory online Six Sigma training.
I finished it, but the system crashed before it stored my data. This is when you say, there's no need to retake the training. I'll just check off your name.
Are you new on this planet?